intertwine all this stuff.
Yes, it is a nice area.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna come back out on the canoe to try to go grab that. It's just, this doesn't really.
This is not.
It gets pushed around by the current pretty good.
Yeah, it's hard to stay straight.
Yeah, because we tried with the motor for a bit and then it just wouldn't work. So.
Yeah, motor was dead.
Okay, it's on. See you guys later.
Hey, thanks.
You'll be on YouTube probably Sunday or Monday.
All right, check. Let's get back.
We're hoping for limits here.
Well, yeah, we're in two, couple, three. Good one. Good one.
Yep, 3 good ones. 3 good. Red
Goodness?
Yep. 9 feet.
I got him. Can I measure that one?
Measure.
He's trying to stab me here.
Where'd the measure go?
I just leave it neutral.
7.
Unless we're.
This one's 7.
Okay. Lift the deal.
Let go of me.
Thank you.
Oops.
Might have lost some, huh?
Might have. Yeah, they're females too. Grab your gloves there.
Roll them out.
Yeah.
I think the next baskets are getting. I'm not getting this setup.
Man. Stuck out.
Yeah, we need to move them back over.
Yeah.
And the line is pretty
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna just go 25 feet past where those were.
You want a fish head in here too? Oh, here we go.
Yeah, we got one in there. Hyperextended. Yeah, we got one more to pull. Top load. I'm buying more of these. Those other ones are getting replaced. Yep. Yeah, it is. We're good. Oop. Is it still on? Oh. Okay, it's getting ready to. Okay. Oh, we're not going to pull it right now, so. Probably should pull that off. I don't think that's going to go anywhere, you think? Okay.
Oh, what's it called? Cabazon?
Oh, is it? Get it in here. Oh, get it in, get it in, get it in.
That's a cabbie.
Yes, get it in here.
Oh, really?
You keep
Yeah, that's a keeper.
Oh, they are?
Yep, keep
Oh.
it. Cabbies are keepers.
That's
Yeah.
Nice. What? One of those dog studs. Or a big wing.
Let's look into the thing. Car.
You can start what he says with it. Oh, it's a big old lean, dude. Look
Look at that ding. Nah. Dang.
Oh, look at it. That's nice.
Just keep her? Can't keep her. Cabbie, I bet. The way he's fighting.
Yeah, this
Keep
one
it
was just
down.
coming up.
Oh, dude.
Oh, lean.
Another one?
Oh, which case?
You want to see it? Look at this, Kevin. A flatfish. It's a flounder.
Gonna take some muscle.
Watch yourself there. No, keep going straight. Bobby, help him. You can't stop.
Feels pretty loaded.
There we go.
Oh, they're popping out.
Keep it up, keep it up.
Oh, hey, there's a crab right here.
Two keepers.
And the
Put
red.
it down.
Yeah, we'll measure it too.
Dad.
Got a good rock one. Big sucker. Watch out, Jess.
Pretty sure that's over 5 inches.
Oh, yeah. That's a big boy.
Yeah, where's the measure?
Yeah.
It's right behind the
Oh, right.
All right, I gotta get it into the V. Get into the V there. Oh, right here on this end. There. And
Yeah,
we're good.
That's tight.
Yep.
Yep.
There's one. We gotta add.
What's that?
That's a big one. For sure. Yep. 6.5.
Okay. You're gonna need a little bit more water. Come on, baby.
Oh, it's just slipping. Me?
Yeah.
More?
One more is all we need. Oh, this thing's tight.
All done.